The oil price dropped about 5% to just above $80 US a barrel, the lowest level since a few days after the war began on February the 28th. But it's still 23% above the price on February the 27th. And nobody expects it to quickly go back to 65 because there's been a lot of damage to oil production facilities in the Persian Gulf, and because a lot of countries will be rebuilding their stocks and then adding some extra just in case now. Mr. Trump has been the president who cried deal at least 5 times before this morning's post saying ships of the world should start their engines. Each time the oil market has believed him and then been disappointed. Today the wolf, or rather the deal, really did arrive, and Asian markets soared and US futures are indicating another strong session tonight. And the other thing happening on Wall Street, of course, is the digestion of SpaceX, the biggest public float in history. Now, this graphic shows how big it is compared to other biggest ones like Alibaba, Facebook, Uber, Kraft and General Motors. The market is the snake that swallowed a cow. The local share market went up with huge gains by airlines and gold miners, offset to some extent by declining energy stocks. And the Aussie dollar is up a bit to 70.8 US cents. The Reserve Bank today started its meeting and will announce its decision on interest rates tomorrow. The futures market and all economic forecasters are saying there is zero chance of a rate hike this time, and the odds of another hike before Christmas have come back from 100% to 50%. And speaking of central banks, the US Federal Reserve's new chairman, Kevin Warsh, starts his first meeting this week. Now, the share market always falls when a new Fed chairman is appointed, by an average of 12%. This graph shows all of them going back to Eugene Mayer in 1930, although his timing wasn't great, you'd have to say. Warsh's timing could be interesting. And that's finance.